Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, your favorite automotive advisor here at Randy Kuehl Honda in the sales department. And here behind me I have a 2013 Honda Crosstour EXL V6. All right, it's gonna be all-wheel drive, of course. Now, down in the description, I'm gonna put down pricing on this vehicle and my contact information. So don't hesitate to call or text me if you like this car or anything else that's on the lot. I'll show you how easy it is to join the family here at Randy Kuehl Honda, all right? Now let's get back to this vehicle and show you all the cool standard features and functions. All right, so here we are right outside the 2013 Crosstour EXL V6. I'm gonna walk around this car. As you guys already know, throughout this video on the bottom hand corners, I'm gonna be posting some additional information about this car particularly, all right? Now, up front here, we have a couple cool safety features. We talk about your lane departure warning and then your collision warning as well. We have a 3.5 V6 with a 6-speed automatic transmission. You get about 278 horsepower that's gonna be in there, all right? Now, as we come right down over here, check out the front. You get a little bit of chrome action on the front nose. You got those nice fog lights down there, kind of dressed up a little bit. Then we'll step right over here off to the side. You're gonna have those nice 18-inch alloyed rims, okay? Now, the history of this vehicle is gonna be a 2-owner, clean Carfax, clean title. Previous owner just traded it in for a brand new Passport, all right? She kept the same theme, so it's gonna be a white with a black interior, just as this car is as well, okay? So as we get right over here on the side profile of the vehicle, yes, the Crosstour is going to be a mid-size hatchback, so pretty awesome. This is the newer body style from 13 and on. That's when they came out this style, all right? Now we have a whole bunch of kind of stuff going on here to the side. We got chrome action handles, you got chrome around the windows, you got rear tinted windows too as well. You got body colored side mirrors, and then you have a spotter mirror right over here. So pretty much that means you got this nice little line. It kind of curves out a little bit this way to catch a little more of your blind spot. So that's pretty nice. Now we're also gonna have the smart entry system with this car. So you put your hand in the handle, guess what? Unlocks everything. As you walk away, you can hit this whole button right here and locks all the doors there for you too as well. You cannot accidentally lock your keys in the car in this bad boy. So let's say, oops, there it is. Drop that, and there we go, shut that. Now I'm set for success. It automatically unlocks. I don't have to worry about that, okay? We'll take this here with us. Up top, we're gonna have a power moonroof, of course. You get nice little shark fin antenna. We'll sneak here towards the back. You got dual exhaust. You got some badging going on. V6, 4-wheel drive, Crosstour. Right there, okay? Now we're gonna have a backup camera too. You have a multi-angle camera from right there. Now your hatch is gonna be right underneath. Oh, got it all locked up. Right underneath the big H right there. And there's all the awesome legendary space, guys. So challenge accepted. As you live in life, these seats will come down too as well. Now let's kind of explore a little bit of back here. Down there, look at that, additional cargo space. Hide whatever you want. What's over here, you say? More cargo space. Loving it. There we go. Now you're also gonna have some courtesy tie downs too. So you got right here, right there. So things won't be jumping around and all that, okay? Now these handles, pull those, look at that, comes down. It's gonna be a 60-40 split, plenty of space right down there. Those are gonna be spring loaded, so you have to get over there on the other side and just pull it right up, okay? Let's close that from there. Let's explore the back seat here quick. As you guys open this up here, you got a nice leather going right here. You guys know about power windows. You got some additional space. You got a little bit, you know, two-tone trim action going on here. You got your black, got your silver going on. Just kind of breaks it up a little bit. These are gonna be quick and easy to pull right back up. There we go. Then you also have a release right here if you want. So you can grab that, it comes down for you. Now let's fold this back up. You got some stickers I need to take care of. And then we're also gonna have cup holders right here. Carpet mats from the previous owner. Now on the back of these seats, you're gonna have nice little pockets for that additional storage space. Now I'm gonna jump right back here. Hopefully you guys can see me. I'm about 6 foot and I'm sitting, there we go, sitting pretty comfortable back here. I got plenty of head space. I feel pretty good. Leg space too as well, okay? So here I am, looking pretty good. All right, so let's kind of sneak here towards the front. Now I also want to point out, you're gonna have some adjustable vents back here. So those guys are gonna be set for success back here, keeping cool and staying warm, okay? Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris. Sorry to interrupt the video. I just want to say thanks again for watching, guys. If you found this helpful or you guys are in the market, you know what to do. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Here's my number. Give me a call, ask for me. I'll show you how easy it is to join the Crazy Honda Chris family here at Randy Kuehl Honda. Let's get back to the Honda Crosstour. All right, let's come up here towards the front. Actually, before we do that, let's get over here on the passenger side, guys. We're gonna have the Honda Lane Watch. So you have a camera that's right over here. I'll show you guys on the inside. Pretty much when you have your turning indicator on the right-hand side, the passenger side, that camera comes activated and it displays right up there on the screen. Whole point of that is to increase your field of vision over here on this side, okay? So that's kind of nice, little safety theme, right? Power seats over here on the passenger side. It goes forward, back, and then it goes recline from there. Previous owner has handed us 2 sets of keys, so you have 2 keys with this car. Done a lot of service here at the dealership, so it's been Honda serviced. Let's open up the front door. Once again, all this stuff you guys really know. You got your power windows, you got your power locks, window lock action, and then you got your mirror selectors, the D-pad, then you also have 2-seat memory, okay? So you can set it for key 1, key 2, walking. Ha, I'm good. I don't have to mess around with it, right? You got some additional space down below. Power seating right over here. So you got your forward, you got your back, you got your up, down, you got the tilt of that front half, as you can see, kind of tilts that. Recline, then you got the lumbar from over here, all right? Now you got your hood release right down under. Let's jump right in. Obviously you guys can tell we got nice leather seats all the way around, hence the EXL, the L part. It's going to be a push button start, so you got to put your foot down on the brake, hit the start button. Just make sure you have the key fob with you, all right? Stay in your pocket, purse, jacket, cup holder. Let's get some air going. Now over here, we're going to have some additional buttons. You got your lane departure warning. Simply turn that on or off. You have your vehicle stability assist right here. So if you want to, you can't accidentally tap it, you have to click and hold it. So as I click and hold, you can see it right down below. Now it's back off or on. Steering wheel adjustment. It's going to be right under here. There it is. See? So got to get it in an angle. So it's a telescope, goes in, out, up, down, all that. Now we got all of your cruise controls right over here. You can set, change the speeds, cancel, enable cruise control. You can see when it's available by the green light. It's on, off, pretty easy. Over here we got your shifter pedals. Pretty much change your automatic into a manual. Wipers. Okay, Entman is adjustable too as well. You got your rear wiper. So, give you a little view from what it looks like looking out the back window. Now, anyways, right over here, you got your hands-free for your smartphone. You can answer, hang up, voice command. Hey, call Crazy Honda Chris on mobile phone. I answer you guys' questions, as you already know. Then you got your media controls and everything right there, okay? This little button, as you select this. Nope, don't need to pair a phone.
107.
So you can go through navigation, phone, information, and music. It's all right there. My phone's not keeping up with the refresh rate on that. So yeah, headlights, auto headlights, you got your fog lights on or off, and there we go. That's everything here now at the steering wheel. It's kind of focused here on the driver's interface. As you guys can see, it's 134,000 miles, no lights or anything on. A lot of the major services have been done to this vehicle already. So now you're set for a while onto that. So that's kind of nice. We'll come right over here. So, quick little points. You got your climate. You can see it from right here. And all of your climate control is going to be down in here. We'll point that out here for you in a second. No, we don't need a pair of phone. All right. So let's kind of go right here quick. We're going to jump right in this. So navigation comes standard right here for this one. So you got your Garmin Navi. You got your climate control and everything right over here. So you can sync it. You can see everything from there, your different mode buttons, on or off, fan speeds. Right over here, you got your front defroster, rear defroster with your heated side mirrors, auto, AC, and then you have air circulation. So the driver can adjust their climate from right here. Passenger is going to be right over here on the other side. Warning lights. So now you can have all of your music controls on or off, with the radios right there, CD player, volume control. Now you can navigate through the menu. As you select menu, settings, all that will display right up here. Okay.
Phone settings.
And it's you gotta turn it, and you can turn out the voice command. There's a lot of things you can do, just like with the newer cars. All right.
Navi settings.
You got your phone. You can pair up multiple phones to the vehicle. Information, audio. So when you hit info, it just brings it right up here.
Trip computer.
You can change the brightness of your screen. Now let's kind of focus right down over here. You have heated seats, low and high. Let's put this in reverse. You can see the backup camera. There it is. Down on the bottom left-hand corner shows you how the camera is going to act. A nice 180 view. Simply just push this button right in, and then it changes views. Right behind you, then a straight down shot from your rear bumper view. So there it is. Now as you turn the wheels, you can see that changes colors and also guides you where you're going. You're also going to have a standard drive, then a sport drive. Just going to change your gear ratio for more throttle response. Fun driving. Cup holders right here. You got your parking brake right there. Some additional stuff. You got a 12 volt. Oh, I don't know if you guys seen that over there. Not an ashtray, guys. Don't use that, please, for an ashtray. But anyways, you got some additional nice little space down below. Armrest is adjustable. Leather pops right open. And then there we are. So pretty cool. Glove box is lockable. Owner's manual and all that's still in there. Kind of check out the dashboard here. We have an auto dimming rear view mirror. One touch power moonroof. Opens, closes, tilts, everything like a power moonroof should be doing. This is just for your dome lights. Garage door opener. Places for the sunglasses. All right, let's kind of turn around so you can see. Once again, you guys have any questions, you guys are interested, the pricing is going to be down in the description. Call me, Crazy Honda Chris here, and I'll make it pretty nice and easy. If you guys call in from a distance, I'll give you all the photos, maybe some additional videos of what you may need about this car to answer those questions. Let's do one last look here on the outside. Oh, almost forgot to show you the Honda lane watch. Ha, silly me. So turn on your blinker right over here. Check it out. There it is, the Honda lane watch. All right, now let's actually do one last walk around on the exterior of the vehicle. All right, well, once again, guys, I appreciate you guys' support, you guys' views, the likes, comments. What do you guys think about the Honda Crosstour? What do you guys like about it? What you don't? You guys mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys at the next video, all right?